Hey everyone, my name is Roopa. Today I'm going to talk about the differences between a Cobra pose Bhujangasana and upward dog Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Now, in a lot of places, they're both taught interchangeably, or one is taught as the modification of the other. They are similar, but there are differences in both of these poses. So, let's see what those differences are. I will also talk about some of the common mistakes made while practicing these asanas. All right, Cobra pose Bhujangasana. We're going to start by resting on our belly, your thighs, legs, and tops of your feet touching the mat. Rest your chin on the mat. Place your palms by your side, right under your shoulders, fingers spread. Keep your elbows bent. Slowly inhale, shine your chest forward. We're not crunching our shoulders or we're not tucking our toes. That places pressure on the low back. And we're not trying to arch our back. This is not a posture designed to improve the range of motion. We're just here using our back strength. Place little to no weight on your palms. This is Cobra pose. Upward dog Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. We're going to start by coming onto our belly. Legs and tops of your feet rest on the mat. Place your palms by your side. Spread your fingers. Palms are at mid-chest. Inhale, shine your chest forward, straighten your arms, and your shoulders are aligned with your wrists. Now press on to the tops of your feet and lift your thighs and hips off the mat. The same don'ts that we talked about in Cobra apply here as well. We're not crunching our shoulders, not tucking our toes, and we're really not trying to see how far back we are going. So in upward dog, our arms are activated, our legs are activated, and we're using our back strength to stay in this position. If you like the content, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.